I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to delete an account in Microsoft Authenticator. Step 1. Find the account you want to delete on your Microsoft Authenticator home screen and then tap that account. The information screen for that account opens. Step 2. Tap the settings icon at the top of this screen. The account settings screen opens. Step 3. Tap Remove Account. A window pops up letting you know that after removing your account, you won't be able to use this device to verify your identity with this application. Step 4. Tap Continue. That account will be deleted from Microsoft Authenticator immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.